My name is Janarone. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing for over 30 years. I have offices in Matawan and in Wall Township. A large part of my practice is in family law. In that area, I do mediation, I do litigation, and now I do collaborative law as well. The advent of collaborative law in this state has been really a wonderful addition. It is a way for people to get divorced, which is less expensive, less pain. And we have a saying that we use, which is, we, the attorneys, control the process, you control the outcome. And my clients love to hear that. They love to hear that they know they are going to be deciding what will happen with their children, their assets, their liabilities, who will stay in the house, and they happily give up the idea of having a judge make those decisions because they know a judge is a stranger. We don't have a lot of trial time in the counties where I practice, and I'm primarily in Monmouth, Ocean, and Middlesex. So they embrace the idea of collaborative law. And unlike mediation, in collaborative, you each have your own attorney with you every step of the way. We also have a team of other professionals in other domains, so we bring them in when we need them. If we need a real estate specialist, we bring them in. If we need a mental health specialist, whether it's a coach or a child specialist, we bring them in. We have financial specialists we bring in, so if somebody needs help doing some of the financial forms we need to do, we get them that help. If there's a business to be evaluated, we can get that done. Another part of my practice that's a little bit different than many matrimonial attorneys is that I also practice real estate. I do real estate, I do wills, living wills, powers of attorney. So I can do those things for my divorce clients. I can represent them when they buy or sell. I can represent them when they do the refinancing, as there often happens in a divorce situation. I've been practicing for over 30 years, and I've also been a municipal court judge for 14 years in 3 municipalities. I'm very familiar with the court system, and I have a complementary practice, but I must say that collaborative, I think, is the best thing that's happened to us in a long time. I'm excited to be in several practice groups. I'm excited to be doing more and more of my practice as collaborative law because it is so much better for the parties, it's so much better for the children. The children so often are victims. There's fallout that inevitably happens, but when parties agree, they're going to be civil. When they agree, they will make their decisions, and when we have the tools of all of our team members, we get a much better outcome, and it's an outcome that stays in place as opposed to an agreement that's entered on the courthouse steps just before the trial begins, and a week or so later the parties start to say, what did I do?